Step-by-step eyebrows tutorials to perfect your look. It's hard for you to paint nice eyebrows. You are a beginner for makeup and don't know how to have perfect eyebrows. You are lucky to find out practical ways to have the solutions. Tool: eyebrow chalk, concealer, grass concealer, black eyebrow pencil. Doing: Step 1. Use your finger to take a sufficient amount of powder to apply all over your eyebrows. Then continue to apply more for bold and sharp lines. Step 2. Use grass to conceal the concealer and erase the big rough outlines. Step 3. Use concealer to erase again to sharpen your eyebrows. Step 4. Use the black pencil to draw the brow hairs to make the eyebrows more natural. Anyone can do in their own home. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to click subscribe to watch the next video. Looking for the best eyebrow makeup products? Learn how to perfect your arches and get your brows on fleek with pencils, powders, gels, and more here.